judges, teachers and my dear friends, I am Sakshi Joshi of class 12 standing here in front of you to speak against the notion. And I believe that dummy schools are not good enough for the student. So first of all, the thing is that we need to understand what exactly a dummy school is. It is a board affiliated school that enrolls the student who wanted to participate or who wanted to go for the competitive exams. But the thing is that we all know it for sure that how much capable a regular school is. Why not somebody send their children when they are in a younger age? Or I would say that the CM, the Chief Minister of the Rajasthan, in an interview in the Economic Times said himself that the student of class 9th and 10th who are going for such examination, not only, but the students of class 9th and 10th who are going for dummy schoolings are doing a crime. It is more like a crime. And he went so far to call such school as fake school. And yes, I indeed agree that these are fake schools. Because whenever you enter in your school, the first thing you do is wish your teachers. And the next is you pray to the God that you will learn for what purpose you came for in the school. And when you go out of the school, you thank your teacher for teaching you. That is the ethical values that the school taught us. But see, what exactly a dummy school is doing? We are not, it's true that we might be getting good result, but that is not good enough. For our overall development and a holistic approach, school is unnecessary. And we should never forget that. We all know that the competition in the competitive exam, the IIT is actually very popular. And the thing is that every year more than 3 lakh students go for the exam. Or not only exam, I would say that like about 3 lakhs people go to such dummy schools and about more than 10 lakh students approach for the exam. But we all know that there are only 16,639 seats. So what about the rest? The rest is getting nothing. They are so much, their heart is agonized. They don't know what to do. And the thing is that if we really wanted to make a good nation, so firstly we have to eradicate the problem of the frustrated youth, and we have to work on the betterment of the schools, and we have to work on the student as well. That is all from my part. Thank you so much.